Yo, so last night in Cartagena was just like a movie. Yo, it was beautiful women around. We had food. Some of the homies got hookah and drinks. Man, it was crazy. Now, of course, because I'm on vacation, my girl want to call and start an argument. But it's cool, though. Eventually, she called back like, yo, I don't want to mess up your vacation. I don't want you to be sad waiting around. I'm like,
baby, you waited. I was hitting holes.
You are watching a master at work.
Getting ready for my day in Cartagena. Sheesh. Yo, what's up with you, man? Yo, what you doing? You ready? Man, come on, man. We gotta go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm letting him touch me. He's like, don't touch me. Oh man, this is ugly out here. Ah, nah,
Many hours later.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Oh my God, Mom.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Yo, you are.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you
Hola.
put your sweats on,
¿Cuál es tu nombre? Me llamo Marty. I can't believe some of y'all ain't trying to get no passport. That's crazy.